everyone. I'm Nupur. Today we are solving LeetCode problem count number of distinct integers after reversing operation. So, as you can see in the statement, you are given in an integer array nums and it contains positive integers. Now you have to take each integer in the array and reverse its digit, and then add it to the end of the array. Now you should apply this operation to the original integer nums and return the distinct. We need to return the distinct integers from the final array. As you can see in the example, nums is equals to this. Now we need to add the reverse of all digits at the end of the nums array. So 1 reverse will be 1, 13 will be 31, 10 will be 1, 0 will be excluded, and 12 will be 21, then 31 will be 13. Now from this array we need to return the distinct elements. So 1 is a distinct element, 13 is one time, then 10, then 12, so 4, 31 5, and 1, 13, 10, 12, 31 and 21. So these are the six elements which are unique. So we will return the output as 6. The basic logic for this question would be firstly use a create a for loop. Then under that for loop, for each element apply the reversal logic of math, like multiplying by 10, then adding the modulus of the number to the variable you are taking in, and then dividing the original number by 10 to remove the last digit. So this is the simple logic we will apply. And so n is equal to, taking n equals to 0, for I in nums, here I think we will take n equals to 0 here, not there, because for every integer we will be using another loop inside for loop, so iterating inside the digit, so inside the number. So taking n equal to 0 and a temp variable containing I. Now while temp is not equals to 0, this loop will run, and now we will multiply n by 10, then add equals to temp modulo 10. Now temp will be divided by we will use floor division, and divided by equals to 10. Now this was our logic, and now we will just append this to the nums array at the end. So nums dot append append n, and then this loop will run again, taking n equals to 0 and temp equals to I, and then yeah. So this how loop will run. And lastly we need to return len of set of nums. So this code will not give us any error. This is the logic behind this code, this problem, and this is the correct code. But the problem will be TLE. So to reduce the TLE, we can simply use set in the beginning. I will explain. Yeah, so this is giving the TLE, and now what we will do here to remove this, take s as set of num, because if this loop will create twice of the elements as in the nums. So nums will be having twice element as the previous from the previous, means len of the nums previously would be 2, then after this loop it will become 4. So to this will increase our time complexity finding the set. Set also contains big of n operations using a set function. So this will increase our time complexity. So to reduce this, we will simply use here we will take the distinct element of from the nums in s, and then we will, in place of adding that to the nums, we will add unique elements only to the set s dot add n. So now here only unique elements will be added to s, and then we can simply return s. So this will take a big of n time because of this for loop, and yeah, it is accepted, and test cases are passed, and yeah, submitted. So this was our today's question. Thanks for watching.